Founded in 2009, ELSKY is specially engaged in the R&D, manufacturing, sales, and system integration of industrial motherboard for OPSPC, Mini-PC, and industrial PC, all-in-one PC, digital signage, advertising LCD, network, POS, telecommunication, and other industries. Meanwhile, we offer OEM or ODM service for global customers. At present, ELSKY has become one of the industrial manufacturers for motherboard and industrial PC in China. ELSKY have more than 100 skilled workers and advanced equipment to complete products design and on-time delivery. ELSKY market share rapidly expands in global market. With more than 9-year growth, ELSKY sticks to focusing on motherboard and industrial PC. We stick to enhancing technological innovation. We do our best for making ELSKY to be an industrial brand. In 2010, ELSKY started to explore overseas market. Today, ELSKY is ready to share its embedded and industrial computing solutions, as well as its sophisticated and reliable products, with more partners in the international arena, and grow with customers on the basis of mutual benefits and win-win. ELSKY products, as an embodiment of innovation in the industry, have provided worldwide users such as China, Southeast Asia, America, Europe, and Africa. Sincerely, welcome friends from worldwide to cooperate with ELSKY. Supply stable motherboard and industrial PC. ELSKY is professional.
Hello, Ali, do you like our product?
Yes, your product is very good, and also your engineer is very professional. Thank you so much.